No more boxes full of gear. All of your gear stored right here.
To install ping pong pockets, first tip up your table and find the center. Next, you will need to find out where your legs hinge. You will want the ping pong pockets to be even with the outside of your table legs in order to make sure that the pockets hang straight down in front of the legs. On this table, the legs happen to be at 8 inches. Measure down 8 inches from the center of the table and clean that area with an included alcohol prep pad. It's important that you clean this area very well in order to make sure the adhesive sticks. Take one of the nylon tie holders and peel the backing off to expose the adhesive. Line it up with where you measured in the previous step and press firmly for about 30 seconds to make sure that the adhesive sticks well. Take one of the included nylon ties and slip it through the eyelet in the ping pong pockets and then through the nylon tie holder and secure the pockets loosely. Make sure your measurements are correct so that the 3 holders end up being perfectly in line with each other. They need to be in line with the hinges of your table legs, and that will make sure that the ping pong pockets ends up being horizontal to the floor. Take your measurements on both sides. Try to keep it as even as possible. As long as it's close, you're going to be okay. The nylon ties will allow for a little bit of play if you don't have it exact. Again, make sure you press firmly so that the nylon tie holders are really nicely attached. That will last you a lifetime. Here's another method of holding the nylon tie holder up against the ruler so that you know it's at the same level without measuring down and then placing it over your dot. Take more nylon ties and slip them through, and again, remember, don't tighten them down too tight. Keep them a little bit loose. That allows the ping pong pockets to swing freely. Do that for both sides. And now it should look like this. Now to dress it up a little bit, you can take the extra tab and tuck it back through the eyelet in order to give it a little bit of a cleaner appearance. Now you can start putting your gear. The Model 42 is named because there's 4 pockets for paddles and 2 pockets for balls, nets, and other items. This is how it looks when the table is upright, allowing you easy access to put away your gear. And as the table is brought down, the ping pong pockets stays in line with the table legs, allowing you to maintain access to your gear at all times. Sewn to the back of your ping pong pockets, there are also a set of strings. There's 3 eyelets and 3 matching sets of strings. In order to install your ping pong pockets without using the adhesive, you can simply drape the ping pong pockets over the crossbar between the legs of your ping pong table, thread one of the strings through the eyelet, and tie it to the other string and that will create almost an apron effect that holds your ping pong pockets over the top of the crossbar. Now, some ping pong tables don't have crossbars, and some ping pong tables have crossbars that are too low. This installation may not be adequate for all ping pong tables, but it is an option. And once you're finished with this, your ping pong pockets should be fully installed, either using the adhesive or tying across the crossbar. We hope you enjoy your ping pong pockets, and we thank you for your purchase. Please visit us at PingPongPockets.com for further information on future products. Thank you once again.